XX and ZZ are both all equity finance companies which have identical business risks. XX is valued at $40 million and ZZ at $20 million. The two companies merge via a share-for-share exchange, which results in X shareholders holding 70% of the shares of the new merged company. As a result of the synergy, surplus assets worth $10 million are sold immediately without affecting the future profitability of the merged company. Half of the proceeds of the disposal are invested in a project with a net present value of $3 million. The question asks, what will be the gains to the shareholders of XX? Now, to work this out, we have to consider the current value for XX and their share of the combined value. And the difference between the two will give you the gain. Now, the current value for XX is 40 million. So we just need to work out what the combined value will be. And when two firms merge together, the two values will add together plus the synergy. So what we've got here is XX are currently worth 40 million. ZZ are worth 20 million. We then sold off some assets that just were no longer required to us. Now, the key to this, the business is worth the future profitability and cash flows that it generates in the future. So this is going to continue, but we've now managed to get money from our surplus assets. So we realise an extra 10 million. Now, half of that money is invested in a project that brings in a net present value of 3 million. It doesn't matter how much was actually invested. The key to this is net present value means above and beyond what is required, given what we've put in, and therefore we get back an extra 3 million. So if we add this up, the company should then be worth 73 million, and XX shareholders own 70%, and therefore their value is 51.1 million. So it was 40 million, it goes up to 51.1. That is a gain of 11.1 million, and therefore the correct answer is A.